Ever wondered how tech companies make money? Unlike traditional businesses, tech companies have a myriad of revenue streams. One key aspect is diversification. Let's delve into some of the methods these tech titans use to fill their coffers. First up, we have advertising revenue. Many tech giants like Google and Facebook have built their empires on this. They provide platforms for businesses to target users with ads, specifically tailored based on their preferences and behavior. Next on the list is the subscription model. Services like Netflix and Spotify have harnessed this approach. They offer premium content or ad-free experiences in exchange for a monthly fee. It's like a buffet of digital services where you pay once and consume all you want. Then, we have hardware sales. Companies like Apple have mastered this art. They make a significant portion of their revenue selling hardware, from iPhones to MacBooks and other innovative devices. Finally, let's talk about software sales. Selling software licenses or subscriptions for software solutions is another lucrative revenue source. Microsoft Office 365 is a prime example of this. So, from selling hardware and software to subscriptions and advertising, tech companies have a diversified revenue stream. They're like a well-oiled machine, constantly finding new and innovative ways to generate income, ensuring they stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Data, often referred to as the new gold in the tech world, is another way companies generate revenue. Let's dive into this fascinating world of data monetization. Picture this. Tech companies are like modern-day prospectors, sifting through mountains of data to find valuable nuggets of information. This is what we call data analytics and insights. By analyzing user data, companies can uncover patterns and trends that can help them understand their users better. Now imagine using this data to tailor user experiences. That's another way data is monetized. By creating personalized experiences, companies can increase user engagement, leading to higher revenues. Think targeted ads or product recommendations that hit the mark every time. And lastly, there's data brokerage. Some tech companies with user consent sell anonymized or aggregated data to third parties. This data can be used for market research or targeted advertising. Indeed, data is a goldmine that tech companies are effectively mining. The freemium model has gained immense popularity in recent years. But how does it work, and what are its financial benefits? Well, the freemium model is a pretty clever strategy. Tech companies offer a basic version of their service for free while charging for advanced features or a premium version. This approach allows users to experience the product or service before deciding whether it's worth an upgrade. Now let's talk about in-app purchases. These are additional content, features, or virtual goods that users can buy within an application. From extra lives in a game to ad-free experiences, in-app purchases can significantly boost a company's revenue. In essence, both the freemium model and in-app purchases are designed to monetize a user base. They are effective strategies that entice users to spend more within the ecosystem of the app or service. Freemium and in-app purchases indeed are clever strategies to monetize a user base. Partnerships and acquisitions are strategic moves tech companies make to bolster their revenues. Let's delve into this fascinating world. Strategic alliances are like secret ingredients in a recipe for success. By collaborating with other businesses, tech companies can reach new audiences and tap into markets they might not have had access to. Imagine two superheroes joining forces to save the world. That's what strategic alliances are all about. Now, let's talk about acquisitions. Just like a puzzle piece, sometimes a company needs to acquire another to complete its picture. By buying smaller startups, tech companies can integrate groundbreaking technology, fresh talent, or an established user base into their own ecosystem. Think of it as a tech company's shopping spree, where they're looking for the perfect piece to complete their master plan. Strategic alliances and acquisitions, thus, are crucial elements in a tech company's revenue strategy. There you have it. Tech companies employ a variety of methods to generate revenue. We've delved into the diversified revenue streams they leverage, from advertising and subscriptions to hardware and software sales. We've examined the goldmine that is data monetization, the appeal of freemium and in-app purchases, and the strategic moves of partnerships and acquisitions. The tech landscape is a dynamic one, always evolving with innovative strategies for monetization. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the tech world.